is normal, missing someone, and missing someone.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you haven't seen my face before, hello, my name is Terry and I'm a YouTuber based in Accra, Ghana. So I recently posted a video showing exactly how you can use the Ordinary's AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution so you can get the exact results you were promised. So I'm going to leave that video linked up above and in the description and in my description box down below. So if you're interested, please click my description box. It's going to definitely be in there. And under this video, I got a ton of questions from you guys why your chemical peel had this foaming effect. Trust me, I understand exactly how you feel, and I'm here to assure you that it's completely normal. I've personally been using this chemical peel from The Ordinary for close to a year now, and I've always had this concern up until quite recently. This is not the only product from The Ordinary that gives off this foaming effect. The Ordinary's niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%, their lactic acid, their salicylic acid 2%, and also their alpha arbutin. If there's any that I didn't mention, please don't forget or try to leave it in the comment section down below. The funny thing about this foaming effect actually is that it doesn't last for a very long time. It only lasts just a few seconds and then it's gone. This is how the foaming effect is supposed to look. The foaming is formed when you try to spread and massage the product into your skin using rubbing vigorous motions. This chemical peel does not get completely absorbed into the skin when applied. It's only a small percentage of it that gets absorbed into the skin. The rest is left sitting on the surface of the skin. That's what causes the foaming effect to last a little bit longer. When too much of an AHA, and examples of AHAs include glycolic acid and lactic acid, are applied onto your skin separately, you tend to get the foaming effect. Likewise, when you add a BHA, and examples of a BHA is also salicylic acid, when too much of it is applied to your skin, you also get the foaming effect. But in this product, The Ordinary has added the AHA and BHA together, 30% of an AHA and 2% of a BHA added together in one bottle to create this particular chemical peel. When you apply too much of it, you will definitely get the foaming effect, no doubt about it. From my personal use, we tend to use too much of this product simply because we want to get all the benefits that this product promises, but you only need a few drops of this product to get your results. So as I said previously, the foaming effect is completely normal, but it also depends on how much of the product you are using and exactly how you are using it. You only need a few drops of this product, and how you apply it is really important. Be as gentle as you possibly can when applying this product onto your skin. This will considerably reduce the formation of any foam that might occur. Please guys, do not leave this product on your skin for more than 10 minutes except advised otherwise by your esthetician or dermatologist. Please remember, make sure after using this product you are going in with your moisturizer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you found it helpful, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. It really helps my channel and it lets me know what sort of videos that you guys like to watch from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next video next week. Bye.